Vitamin C serums are a skincare powerhouse celebrated for their ability to brighten skin, reduce signs of aging, and protect against environmental damage. But with so many options out there, choosing the right vitamin C serum can be overwhelming. Today, we'll explore the best serums with vitamin C 1 to 5, breaking down their key features, benefits, and usability to help you find the perfect match for your skin type and concerns. Whether you want to fade dark spots or boost collagen, this guide will make your choice simple and effective. Off our list at number 1, Mad Hippie Vitamin. The Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum is a standout for those seeking a gentle, yet effective way to brighten their complexion. Formulated with sodium ascorbic phosphate, a stable and less irritating form of vitamin C, this serum is perfect for sensitive skin types. It combines antioxidants and hydrating ingredients to improve skin texture and tone without causing redness or dryness, making it ideal for daily use by beginners or those with delicate skin. Key features: this serum features sodium ascorbic phosphate, vitamin E, and ferulic acid to provide antioxidant protection and enhance vitamin C stability. It also includes hyaluronic acid for deep hydration and konjac root extract to soothe the skin. Free from parabens, synthetic fragrances, and dyes, Mad Hippie prioritizes natural and safe ingredients with vegan and cruelty-free certifications. Benefits and usage: the serum helps brighten dull skin, fade hyperpigmentation, and reduce fine lines over time. Its hydrating components maintain moisture balance, preventing dryness commonly linked with vitamin C use. Apply a few drops to clean skin morning or night before moisturizing. Its mild formula supports frequent use, providing consistent results without irritation. Usability: the lightweight, fast-absorbing texture layers easily under other skincare products and makeup without stickiness. The dropper allows precise dosing, ensuring you don't waste product. Suitable for all skin types, but especially recommended for sensitive skin. Due to its gentle formulation. Durability: the dark amber glass bottle protects the serum from light damage, preserving ingredient potency. With proper storage away from heat and light, the product remains effective for several months. A 30 milliliters bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with regular use, offering excellent value. We have the Ordinary Vitamin. The Ordinary Vitamin C suspension offers one of the highest concentrations of pure vitamin C, 23%, in a budget-friendly package. Unlike many serums, it's water-free, which slows oxidation and preserves potency. Its unique formula combines L-Ascorbic Acid with hyaluronic acid spheres, targeting dullness and signs of aging with a powerful dose of antioxidants. This product is perfect for those looking for intense brightening and collagen-boosting effects. Key features: contains 23% pure L-ascorbic acid, the most potent and researched form of vitamin C. Hyaluronic acid spheres provide hydration and improve skin texture. The water-free formula minimizes oxidation and enhances stability. Free from oils, silicones, and alcohol. This vegan and cruelty-free product comes in an opaque tube to protect the active ingredients. Benefits and usage: this suspension dramatically improves brightness, fades dark spots, and supports collagen production. It also helps smooth fine lines and improve overall skin texture due to its high concentration. Some users may experience tingling upon initial use. Start with small amounts, applying once daily on clean skin, preferably at night. Follow with moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning for protection. Usability: the serum has a slightly gritty texture due to the powdery vitamin C, but spreads well and absorbs within minutes. Best applied after water-based serums and before creams. Not recommended for very sensitive skin due to its strength, but ideal for those familiar with vitamin C treatments. Durability: the waterless base and opaque packaging significantly reduce vitamin C degradation, preserving potency for months. Proper storage in a cool, dry place maximizes shelf life. A 30 milliliters tube typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with daily use. Coming in at number 3 is the Kiehl's Powerful Strength. Kiehl's Powerful Strength. Line-reducing concentrate combines a potent 5% vitamin C concentration with hyaluronic acid to deliver both brightening and hydrating benefits. Designed for those seeking to reduce fine lines and boost skin radiance. This serum blends pure vitamin C and a derivative for immediate and sustained antioxidant effects. It is dermatologist tested and suited for all skin types, balancing strength and comfort in a lightweight, fast-absorbing formula. Key features: contains pure L-Ascorbic Acid and ascorbyl glucoside, a vitamin C derivative, for dual-action antioxidant benefits. Hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates and plumps skin to improve texture and reduce wrinkles. Free from parabens, mineral oils, and phthalates. Packaged in an airtight pump bottle to maintain ingredient freshness and efficacy. Benefits and usage. Regular. Use results in brighter skin, smoother texture, and diminished fine lines. The hydrating ingredients enhance skin elasticity and plumpness, promoting a youthful appearance. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to cleanse skin morning and evening, followed by moisturizer. Use sunscreen during the day to protect against sun damage and optimize results. Usability. The serum's lightweight. Non-greasy texture absorbs quickly and layers well under makeup or other products. The pump dispenser offers hygienic, easy application with precise control over dosage. Suitable for all skin types, though sensitive skin users should start gradually to minimize irritation. Durability, thanks to its stable dual vitamin C formulation and protective packaging. The concentrate maintains potency for several months. A 50 milliliters bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with twice daily use, delivering good value for the results. Taking our 4th spot is Glow Recipe C's from Glow Recipe Vitamin C Serum is designed to provide gentle yet effective brightening and anti-aging benefits with a fruit-powered formula, featuring a stabilized form of vitamin C combined with natural extracts. This serum nourishes the skin while enhancing radiance and texture. Ideal for those who prefer clean, cruelty-free skincare with a focus on hydration and glow. This serum works well for most skin types, including sensitive and combination skin. Key features: contains 20% magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, a stable and gentle vitamin C derivative known for brightening and antioxidant protection. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, acerola cherry extract, and antioxidants for hydration and nourishment. The formula is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from sulfates, parabens, and synthetic dyes. Packaged in a tinted glass bottle to reduce light exposure, benefits, and usage. This serum brightens skin tone, evens texture, and reduces signs of aging like fine lines and dullness. Its hydrating components help maintain moisture balance, improving overall skin health. Apply a few drops daily on clean skin, morning or night, followed by moisturizer and sunscreen during the day for optimal protection. Usability: the lightweight gel texture absorbs quickly without leaving stickiness, making it perfect for layering with other products. The dropper dispenser provides easy and controlled application, suitable for a wide range of skin types, including sensitive skin, due to its gentle yet effective formula. Durability: the tinted glass bottle protects the serum from oxidation, preserving ingredient stability over time. When stored correctly, it remains effective for several months. A 30 milliliters bottle generally lasts 6 to 8 weeks with regular. And finally, at number 5, we have Murad Vitamin C. Murad Environmental Shield Vitamin C Serum is a potent antioxidant treatment formulated to defend against environmental damage while brightening and rejuvenating the skin. Combining vitamin C with hyaluronic acid and botanical extracts, this serum targets dullness, uneven tone, and fine lines. It's ideal for those looking to shield their skin from pollution and UV damage, while improving texture and radiance. Key features: contains 20% stabilized vitamin C ascorbic acid for powerful antioxidant. Protection: infused with hyaluronic acid for hydration and licorice root extract to soothe and reduce discoloration. The lightweight formula is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, packaged in an air-restrictive pump bottle. To maintain freshness, benefits, and usage, this serum brightens skin, smooths texture, and helps prevent premature aging caused by environmental aggressors. Regular use supports collagen production and reduces visible dark spots. Apply daily to clean skin, morning or night, and follow with moisturizer and sunscreen. Ideal for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Usability: the lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly without residue. The pump dispenser allows hygienic, controlled use, suitable for layering with other skincare products and makeup. It fits well into any routine. Durability: stabilized vitamin C and protective packaging help preserve potency for months. Proper storage away from heat and light extends shelf life. A 30 milliliters bottle usually lasts 6 to 8 weeks with consistent use. Choosing the best serum with vitamin C can transform your skin by brightening, protecting, and rejuvenating your complexion. Whether you prefer the gentle formula of Mad Hippie, the potency of The Ordinary, or the nourishing benefits of Glow Recipe, these top 5 serums cover a range of skin types and concerns. Remember to pair your vitamin C serum with daily sunscreen to maximize benefits and protect your skin. Which one will you add to your routine for a radiant glow? Let us know in the comments below.